Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you. I will show you guys our new, improved. Already, still not improved. This is our new account, which I haven't even posted any videos yet. But that means DDM stands for Gov Daniel Martin. So I'm on YouTube. I just said it out there. Okay, I just searched my YouTube. You still cannot search this because see, there's still not videos, even a playlist, even channel, but discussion, yes. 3 comments, I comment in my This is where we post our vlogs, gaming, and lots more videos. Example, challenges, vlogs, gaming, challenges. Wait, did I already say that? So our Facebook account, we already have a Facebook account, but we will show you now. If you have a question, just comment, okay? Comment. So this is our Facebook account. Okay. So this is our Facebook account. Do you know who am I? Am I she, he, or he? I'm not gonna tell you who I am. So they call your brother, that means it's God's channel. Yeah, it's God's channel. Subscribe to him. I was inspired by him, even he still has 50 subscribers, but I'm still inspired by him. I inspire him and he inspired me. And we have 13 friends on Facebook. Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, smash the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.